It's the Samsung Galaxy S7. It's 4 GB RAM. It's a very good phone. And strong and good, many processors. This is black unit. There it comes. Do not accept if seal is broken, of course not. So here is the Samsung Galaxy S7. Here it is. There is the phone. Full of plastic, of course. We take off this plastic. There it is. Nice. Samsung phone are nice. Okay. So there. Here is to open this and some cards, manuals. To open up phone, you have this there. It's like this one, it's the same. Quick start guide in different languages. Here we are, loader. USB connector. And earphones, and maybe good earphones too. Yes, that is cool, even in a nice box. See here, that is nice. Samsung. Okie dokie. Okay, we have to put inside SIM card, and to open up this phone you have to use this, like here, touch in, this be open like this. And you put your SIM card in here. There it is. There. For updates, this is Google accounts. And this is name. So, ready. There it is. This is inside the box, the Samsung Galaxy S7. Still a very nice phone. With good camera.